Hello, Master Manifester. We're often so distracted by the matrix mixed messages in the modern world that we don't even remember to breathe. The most basic biological function that keeps this body alive. And we often take really shallow breaths. We don't really focus on our breathing. We often don't even have time. We're so distracted by everything else and our survival system's constantly going off. So, what are the benefits of breath work for mastering manifestation? Well, to start off with, you can work with your brain waves and your nervous system through breath work. There are all different kinds of techniques. There's the box breathing method, there's the 4-7-8 method, and whatever method that you're using to whatever purpose, understand that slow, deep breaths calm the nervous system, and faster, more focused breaths raise your awareness, right? They start waking everything up. So depending on how you're breathing, you're either making your system more alert or helping it to relax. And getting to know your system that way helps you reinforce intentions and your state when you're trying to manifest something. So starting off with the beta brainwaves, when you're taking very, very fast, shallow breaths, you'll start to become more alert, right? Now, you want to practice breathing on a regular basis to start noticing your breath and taking deep, slow inhales, fully inhaling, fully exhaling, right? This is one of the most important things, is stabilizing your baseline to full inhale, full oxygenation of your brain, and full exhale. Now, if you go longer on the inhale, that tends to wake you up more. Going longer on the exhale tends to activate your, relax your nervous system more. And the emotional electricity, the electrochemical, electromagnetic signals in your body, and the chemical signals in your body that are giving you sensations to your brain, to your gut, that you are having an experience, right? You are feeling fear, happiness, uh, worry, whatever it is that you're feeling, you will feel it in your body and your mind will interpret it, right? When you are breathing slowly and carefully, the interpretations are clearer, because if your system is in fight or flight, it's going to drain the blood from your prefrontal cortex where you make that clear decision making and that focused, and it's going to drain it all in survival systems, and you're just going to be reactive. Whatever your program is underneath to survive, you're going to react to that. So focusing and controlling and noticing, especially the noticing of your breath in your body, slow intentional breathing, or just focusing on what kind of breathing you want to be doing at the time. I would focus on baseline, slow, deep, slow, deep. That keeps your nervous system calm and alert on a regular basis, right? You can even use breath work to help you go to sleep at night. You can use it to improve your health in certain areas, improve your lung capacity, improve the oxygenation of your blood. It helps curb the chaos. It helps calm all the chaos down, because that entropy comes from disorganization, disordered systems, right? Everything starts to kind of become chaotic in your emotions and your thoughts when you're not paying attention and taking time to notice and categorize and organize and witness. You don't even necessarily have to direct. You can just tell your body what you want, and most of the time it will do whatever it can within reason, as long as it's not hurting you, to give you what you want. You can talk to your body. It's totally conscious just as much as you are. And if you've noticed moving your consciousness into different body parts, you will be able to connect your conscious brain mind to your conscious body mind. This is all one thing, but it's just a matter of moving your awareness around. So I hope this has helped you to understand a little bit more about how breath work benefits you in manifestation, and just a few understandings of how it affects your nervous system, how it affects your thoughts, how it affects your perspective. Because remember, those quick, shallow breaths are going to put you in a higher state of fight or flight, and the slower, deeper breaths, long on the exhale, is going to help calm your nervous system and get you more focused. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and sign up for the Method Muse newsletter in the description below.